In this short video, I want to show you how to import an existing channel into TV Boss Fire. You can use this option if you want to move your existing channels developed on another platform or a channel that was hand-coded and is just too hard to manage, for example. First, log in, click on My Channels tab, then click the plus button. Then click on the JSON import. Import the JSON file that should have been the content or have the content of your channel. As you can see, the feed was successfully imported. Now we just need to make some basic settings like the channel name description, upload the channel icon, and so on. When you've finished, click save and the channel has been imported successfully. And as you can see, the content is already imported. All you need to do now is customize your settings, modify the pretty link to fit your needs, and make sure that all your videos were imported properly. Maybe go to the settings and see if everything is as it should be. That's all. It took about under a minute or two to import an existing channel, and from now on you can edit and maintain your channel easily using TV Boss Fire. See you in the next video.